Roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 2.
Present, ma'am.
3.
Present, ma'am.
4.
Present, ma'am.
5.
Present, ma'am.
6.
Present, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8. Absent. 9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So those students who were absent on yesterday, please stand up. I want to see your face. Welcome Nadeem and Alaiba. Why were you absent on yesterday? Can you tell me? And you?
Ma'am, I have an important function at home.
No excuses from your side will be accepted. You both always make excuses and remain absent. Can you tell me that what we learned on yesterday?
Ma'am, I don't.
Sabah, please stand up.
Yesterday we have learned about friction and gave a mathematics test.
Yes.
Oh no,
Please.
we missed the test.
Yes, you missed a test. Sarish, please stand up. Go to the in charge office and call them to come in my classroom. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes. Our teacher is Tapinder Jai is calling you. May I come in, ma'am? Yes, please come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. What happened?
Ma'am, actually, these two students always remain absent and always make excuses.
I want absent tomorrow. Let us be careful. And you?
Ma'am, I have an important function at home.
No excuses from your side will be accepted. Give your parents number. And you? Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Call their parents, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Is this Nadeem's father speaking?
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I am calling from school and I am Nadeem's coordinator.
So what happened?
Sir, actually, our child remains absent mostly. Sir, can you please come with him tomorrow in school and then we will discuss about it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, ma'am. Very good morning. Is this Alaiba's mother speaking? Yes, ma'am. I am calling from school and I am Alaiba's coordinator. So what happened? Ma'am, your child remains absent mostly. And so, ma'am, can you please come with her tomorrow in school and then we will discuss about it. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, sure.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Where is Nadeem, ma'am?
Where is Alaiba? Please wait. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, Alaiba's and Nadeem's parents coming. Come and talk to them.
Nadeem and Alaiba, please come with me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat, please, sir. How are you, sir?
We are fine, ma'am.
I'm back. Sir, actually your child remains absent and he doesn't attend the school. Sir, if your child will come to school regularly, he will perform good in study and other curricular activities on a good path. But if your child will never attend the school and always making excuses, he cannot do anything. And the total blame will fall fully on the teacher. So please ensure your child. The teacher teaches a lesson in the schools. And if your child will remain absent, then how will he learn anything? We, the teacher, had also give the result to the principal ma'am. And if your child will remain absent, then how will he learn anything? How will he perform good? Despite the teacher's hard work, the total blame will reflect poorly on the teacher. So please ensure your child to come to school regularly. Do you know, sir, that your child remained absent and he had also missed a test?
Why didn't you inform me about the lesson? I don't know. Don't give me excuses.
So actually, academic success is very crucial and attendance is very crucial for academic success.
Teacher, I do not realize how important attendance is.
Yes, ma'am. It is very crucial for academic success. Please communicate with us if there is any issue. We will talk to you. Parents' cooperation is very important. Thank you, sir.
We promise to attend school regularly.
Yes, thank you, sir. The module of our today role play was attendance matter. Every day, every lesson counts.